Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you tired of juggling household chores and struggling to keep everyone on the same page? In this video, I'll walk you through building a fully functional household chores planner in Notion, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a sleek and organized chores planner, but you'll also learn how to personalize it for your unique household, making managing chores so much smoother for everyone involved. Let's dive right in. For this demo, we're going to make use of Notion's free chores planner template. Starting with a template is a huge time saver. Think of it as using a ready-made foundation when building a house. You skip the heavy lifting, and you get a polished, professional layout right from the start. Plus, with Notion, templates are fully customizable, so you can add your special touch whenever you wish. First, look up to the top left corner of your Notion window. There's a drop-down menu with more options. Give that a click. It's kind of like opening up your toolkit, revealing all the tools and features Notion has to offer. Here, you'll see an option to browse templates. Go ahead and select that. If you haven't explored Notion's template gallery before, you're in for a treat. There are tons of templates for all sorts of needs, but today we're searching specifically for Chores Planner. Now, in the search bar, type Chores Planner. Notion will pull up a handful of templates designed to help with organizing and tracking household tasks. Take a moment to browse through the options. Some have a simple to-do list style, while others may include detailed schedules or fancy tracking systems. Pick the template that appeals most to you. Maybe it fits the number of household members you have, or you just like the look of it. Once you've found the one that clicks with your needs, select it and hit Add. At this point, Notion will create a brand new copy of the Chores Planner on your workspace. This part might take a few moments. Don't worry if you see a loading spinner. Once it's here, you now have a fully built planner ready to go with all the professional formatting done for you. But we're not stopping there. Now, let's make it your own. Start by adding your household's credentials. That means typing in the names of everyone who shares chores. Maybe it's just you and a housemate, or a big busy family. Fill these in where the template prompts you. This step is key for accountability and tracking, and it helps everyone see exactly what's expected. Next, get creative. You can personalize the planner with fun icons, change the cover image, or adjust the color scheme to fit your vibe. If you want, you can even tweak how chores are assigned. Maybe you want each person to have color-coded tasks or a weekly rotation. Notion makes this super flexible. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Think of it as decorating your planner so it feels motivating, not just like another boring checklist. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've set up a thorough, professional-looking household chores planner in Notion, complete with personal touches for your own style. If you have any questions or if you try out other templates and want to share how yours turned out, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.